One of the great things with Cherokee RV is it's proud to be made in America, right in Topeka, Indiana, USA. Good day. Today we're looking at the 2025 Cherokee Wolf Den 294 GEBG. And this is a wonderful, versatile family bunkhouse model. And as you'll see behind me, it has two private bunk areas. We have an upper area here for sleeping for two. And then it has a separate area over here, separate private room, another bunk room in the back, with two separate sleeping areas, an upper and lower. Ample storage. We also have the versatile table that can also be put down into a bed for extra sleeping. A wonderful kitchen, lots of storage, overhead storage. You have a propane cooktop, you have an air fryer, microwave. You have the nice farm sink with the versatile wash, a large refrigerator, 12 volt, and the pantry. Everyone likes a great storage pantry. It's one of the great selling features. Full walk-through bathroom in this unit. We can access the bathroom not only from the living area, but also the bedroom area, which is a full private bedroom with a king bed. The king bed has overhead storage, side storage, and storage underneath. Let's take a walk outside and check it out. It also has a nice little ambient fireplace that can not only give you the colored flames, but also can give you heat if you're plugged in. The 294 GEBG has a fully outdoor functioning kitchen with a double door refrigerator, sink, ice maker, griddle, gray stone griddle, additional counter space here for prepping, storage cabinet, along obviously with the full inside kitchen. The other thing that the Wolf Den offers is the stable step entry steps. Very solid safety feature. The rest of the unit, as you can see, very beautiful looking Cherokee Wolf Den, power awning, sun glazed window for keeping the heat of the sun out, LED lighting on the awning, the power awning, and two separate entry doors, one for the bathroom, so you don't have to go through the coach, one for the back bedroom. The power awning is really nice. Keep the sun off you or the raindrops, either one.